shoot this truck. Okay. I don't know where it hit, but I don't want to know where it hit. Okay. I'm not pretty sure doing any damage.
Where'd that hit?
Some dents in it. That's for sure. Okay, that hit my knee.
Where's it hitting?
It's hitting on the trailer. Okay, new gun.
We got a better one and a stronger one. Like, very strong, right, Arkin?
Yeah.
So strong. Like, the other gun blew these holes in it. It's got some pieces left in it. And the other one is just like, you know, just no BB. This is a pellet. Gosh. The only one who was shooting was a BB. No, not BB. One of those. I got it. The best one right here is a tough one.
So we have
That's a
a
fighter.
pellet gun
Yep.
loaded right there.
Got it right.
Okay.
Okay. This thing's gonna
Aim.
already fire.
This one's a bit old.
Oh, there
Right.
it hit. Oh, got stuck in there. Oh, holy. Go pick it up. Oh, there you go. Damn.
Okay. Bigger caliber.
That's a fury, bro.
Set down a bullet.
Wait. First, you gotta hold it. Look at this monster thing. Wait. Look at this thing, bro. This monster. Damn, look at this. One hand, bro. Damn, this is like... Wait, I'm gonna show you the true beauty of this thing. Show you the true beauty of this thing. Look at that thing. Oh, look at this monster.
Okay. Same bullet.
Look.
This is the round.
Compare that to this.
Okay. Bullet and chamber.
We gotta compare it after.
Hi, Bubba.
No, not yet. I'm not recording.
Wait, you're not recording? We're not
No, I'm recording, but like, I'm not like zoomed in.
Okay. Turn this bad boy far away because this thing got a scope on it.
I hit somewhere.
I see it. Just that little hole right next to it.
Oh,
And next to it, there's a big hole.
right here?
No, other way. Other way. No.
Oh, there.
No. Yeah, right there. That's the hole. Right there.
This is the hole right there, right? Yeah, that's a monster, bro. Oh yeah. No, first thing we gotta compare it.
Same type of gun.
Same type of gun,
Just bigger.
but
And
wait,
heavier.
I gotta zoom out. Same type of gun, but
Just
bigger
And
and
better.
heavier, bro. Look at that. It has a
Okay,
scope
hold
and
it,
everything.
hold it. It's heavy. I'm gonna go get more.
What about the other one? Look at this. Oh, damn. This thing's a beast. It's a monster. Okay. Can I shoot this one? No. Yeah. This is a total beast, bro.
Thing.
He's gonna load it into the camera.
This bullet. This is the
Oh,
bullet
hell yeah, bro.
for shooting.
Damn, that's cool, actually. You popped it in.
Got it in.
Oh, that hit. I think it hit the snow. It hit the snow. He's gonna reload it again.
Okay. We're shooting the same bullet.
Same bullet.
Same bullet. Okay. Aiming.
Where did I hit?
Right next to the one that you were. Yeah, that one.
Look at that. Right there. See that one right there. Damn.
This thing's a beast though.
I know, bro. Got big eyes and a scope and everything. Wait, show them what looks through the scope.
I can't.
Really?
Yeah. I'd have to perfectly line it up.
I'm already. Wait. It's blurry. What the? Got it. Oh, right over here. Is that low over here somewhere?
No, it didn't. That's how it did.
Yeah, the bullet did somewhere. But where did I hit? Where did I hit?
I'll buy the smokestack. Yeah, right there.
Look at that. Bow! And mine. Might have found it.
Yeah, it is. Anything that's on the snow. Bullet.
Okay.
Hey, what? You want to try cocking this thing?
Oh, hell yeah. Hold that, sir. Hold that.
Okay. At least gotta try to cock it.
The fuck?
You pull down.
God.
I'll put it between my legs.
Duh.
Come on, put it between your legs. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna show you how it's
This
done.
thing's a beast, bro. So,
Give me. Got that.
invite. Try as hard as I can.
So close. There we go.
Damn, look at that. That thing's hard to load.
Yeah.
This is probably easy.
We got 2 bullets left.
Oh hell. What's that? It's a good video. Wait.
I'm gonna hit.
The hit.
I hit underneath the wheel axle. No, not on that one. The trailer.
Right here?
Not the trailer.
Oh. Up there. Okay.
Okay.
Can I shoot? That.
Oh, this beast? No. Oh, this beast. I'll get it. Hold it for you.
Ow, fuck.
Snow?
Yep.
This one's not as hard.
Should I load it in for him? I'll put this right here.
No, come on. Don't put the gun in the snow.
Go here?
Put it right there.
Okay.
I want to try to shoot that old guy. Okay.
I hit. Right there. Somewhere right there. Somewhere right there.
He hit right there.
Oh, damn.
So that's where he hit.
Wait, did exit? Any of them exit?
So that's where we hit. And we have an exit point right here. We got an exit point right there and an exit point right
There's
there.
some on top.
No, that's the entry points. And the exits. And this is where the small one hit. Okay. Last bullet for the big boy.
Big boy?
Blank range.
Yeah.
Okay, hold that.
This is easy to shoot. Right here is really easy to shoot.
Last shot?
Yeah. He's cocking. Bro, that thing's like a beast.
Yeah, it is. Cool. Hardest thing in the load. Hardest thing in the load.
It is?
No.
If it is, that'll be fire. Looking in the White House.
Gun. Blank range.
We're trying to hit.
Not really aiming for anything.
Oh,
Went
yeah.
straight through it.
I saw it back right there. Right there. It bounced over here somewhere.
Went straight through the truck. That's a problem. Right here. That's where it hit.
Oh.
To the back, to the back.
Okay, let's let's say goodbye.
Alright, that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
And that's pretty cool. We got
Yeah.
bullet holes in our truck now. But anyways, that's it.
Bye.